In this brief lesson, I'll show you how to change the font face, size, and alignment in the blocks that we will be using for the game. I'm going to first select all of the blocks so we can do this all at once. And then I'm going to go ahead and change the font face. And I'm just going to go to one that's readily familiar to most people, and is the Comic Sans Serif. You can see now that it's changed. I'm going to change the size to make it a little bit larger since this is going to be for younger children. And then I'm going to change the color as well. I'll go over here to my color bar and select blue. Now the final step is to align it so it's centered both vertically and horizontally. Horizontally is easy to do. Just select the center button on my menu bar there, and that's done. To center it vertically, though, we have to go into a menu that can be accessed by right-clicking. I'll right-click. I'll go ahead and go down to Format Cells. Move the window up so you can see it here. And now we already have horizontal center, but vertical center, our vertical alignment, we want it to be centered. We click on OK, and now all of the text will be centered where we want it to be.